I might be the only girl who does not like Pani Puri, Golgappa, Gupchup or Fuchka, but my husband literally loves these fried puris, crispy fried puris, so I had to experiment. But I failed 4 or 5 times to bake these pani puris perfectly. I have tried oil free pani puris too, but they were a flop. So I experimented with 1 tablespoon of ghee, and this is made from homemade cultured butter. And if you're looking for an oil free puchka or golgappa or pani puri recipe, then I must tell you that without oil or ghee, pani puris taste like fried roti. So you will need 3.5 tablespoon of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder. This is optional. Now blend everything well. We will need this to knead the semolina pani puri dough or suji gupchup golgappa dough. I have taken 1/4 cup of suji or semolina here, and my cup measures 240 ml. Now add the blended water, mix well, and then we'll be adding 3 tablespoon more of semolina or suji. You can add it before as well. You can take 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoon of semolina and then add the water. Now knead it well for at least 2 minutes and then set it aside for at least 30 minutes. Keep it covered and we will rest the dough for 30 minutes so that the semolina absorbs any excess moisture or water that we have used in this recipe. Make a ball and then keep it aside covered. I'll be sharing all the tips and tricks to baking this pani puri perfectly. So keep watching the video till the very end because every single step is important when it comes to baking golgappa or gupchup in air fryer or even oven. After 30 minutes, you will need to knead it once again for 1 to 2 minutes because we want a very smooth, soft, pliable dough, just like roti dough. So I have also made pani puris with my roti dough, but as I said, without oil or fat, pani puris or golgappa baked taste just like a fried roti. Now make small pieces and keep them covered. Keep them aside. We'll take one ball and flatten it. Now this step to flattening it is very important, so please watch it carefully. I'll be showing it again. Take one ball, flatten it, close all sides toward the center, and then make sure there are no gaps. This is very important. Roll it out like a chapati, so you can keep it the thickness of a chapati. Please don't keep it too thin, otherwise these will turn out like a papdi and they won't puff. Don't keep them too thick as well. Now keep it covered because we want the moisture as well. Now please check it again how I am making this. Close all ends, close all ends, remove excess, roll it and remove excess dough. Make sure there are no gaps, there are no holes in this dough, and then flatten it and you are good to go. It should not be too thick. Now preheat air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes and place the baking appliance as well when you preheat it because we need the appliance to be extremely hot when we are baking it. Now place each puri as I am showing. Pick and place. Please place them as is. Bottom side bottom should remain on the lower side. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. The lower side still has some moisture and it will help in puffing. Look at this. Isn't it an eye-popping sight? Oh my goodness. I literally loved it. Every single time I tried, it was a big hit because I realized all my faults because now I know where I was going wrong and all these puff up beautifully every time I try. Now Imli Dates Minty Bliss is so yum. If you want the recipe, post in comments. Hing water for digestion. If you are looking for the recipe, let me know. Onion, boiled potato, and boiled chickpeas as well, black chickpeas. Now look how crispy these are. I have mixed black salt, black pepper, and jeera powder to the boiled potatoes along with black chickpeas boiled. Fill it and dip it in the water of your choice. Bliss. So I hope I have made all the points clear to baking pani puri or gupchup or golgappa at home in your air fryer or oven. If I have been successful in training you how to bake pani puri at home, please go and try it out and share your feedback in comments. I hope you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Take care until we meet next with yet another healthy recipe.